Downloading data from Temu 2025 can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Temu 2025 account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access and download the data you need. Step 2. Navigate to Data Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option related to data management or data downloads. Step 3. Select Data Type. Choose the type of data you wish to download. This could include transaction history, user activity logs, or any other relevant information available for download. Step 4. Choose Download Format. After selecting the data type, you may be prompted to choose a format for the download, e.g., CSV, PDF, etc. Select the format that best suits your needs. Step 5. Initiate download. Click on the download button to start the process. Depending on the size of the data, it may take a few moments to prepare. Once ready, the file will either download automatically or provide a link for you to download. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download your data from Temu 2025. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section or contacting customer support for assistance.